Have you ever met someone and felt instant chemistry? The first date is electric, conversation flows, and you can't wait to see them again. The second date is even better. You start imagining a future together. By the third date, you're convinced you've found someone special. Then, suddenly, everything changes. Her texts get shorter, replies take longer, and she's suddenly busy. The momentum stalls and you're left wondering what went wrong. You replay every moment searching for a mistake. But here's the truth. It's rarely about one thing you did. It's not that you weren't funny or attractive enough. The real issue is often the emotional speed of your interactions. When chemistry is strong, it's easy to get carried away. You want to lock it down, so you accelerate, you open up too quickly, share too much, and act like you're already in a relationship. This emotional intensity, while genuine, can actually put the brakes on attraction. The problem isn't a lack of attraction. It's too much, too soon. When you move too fast, you skip the slow build that makes romance exciting. You remove the mystery and anticipation. Suddenly, what felt magical now feels overwhelming. Attraction needs space to grow. When you rush, you risk losing the very connection you wanted to build. So, what's really happening when chemistry suddenly fades? It's all about pacing. Let's call this the fast-forward syndrome, skipping the early stages and jumping straight to emotional intensity. You reveal everything too soon, dissolving the tension that fuels attraction. From her perspective, the fun and mystery vanish, replaced by pressure. Suddenly, dating feels like a high-stakes interview, not an adventure. Attraction thrives on space, anticipation, and the excitement of discovery. When you give away the ending too soon, there's no suspense left. This isn't about playing games, it's about letting things unfold naturally. We value what we invest in and are drawn to stories that build over time. Pacing yourself emotionally isn't dishonest, it's smart. It gives her space to miss you and become invested. Rushing signals neediness, pacing signals confidence. Let attraction grow at a healthy, sustainable speed. The best connections are built slowly, with curiosity and anticipation. Don't fast forward. Let the story unfold. How do you avoid fast-forward syndrome? First, pace your emotions. Feel the excitement, but don't act on it all at once. Avoid heavy topics and keep things light and playful. Let her see your fun side before your vulnerable side. Second, plan short, active dates. Walks, mini-golf, food markets. Shared experiences build connection without pressure. Keep dates to 90 minutes or 2 hours, leaving her wanting more. End on a high note to build anticipation. Third, shift your mindset. Stop trying to win her over. Focus on whether she's a good match for you. This change makes you more relaxed, authentic, and attractive. Dating is about discovery, not passing a test. Value yourself, and let the connection unfold naturally. If someone loses interest, don't call it rejection. See it as realignment. You simply weren't on the same emotional wavelength. It's not about your worth. It's about timing and pacing. Maybe you move too fast, but that's a lesson, not a failure. Early connections are delicate and need patience. Learn from overexposure without damaging your self-esteem. Every experience teaches you about attraction and yourself. Now you know the value of pacing and building tension. You're not a victim. You're learning and improving. Your value isn't tied to one person's interest. The right person will be drawn to your confidence and authenticity. Reveal yourself at a pace that feels exciting for both of you. Step back into dating with quiet confidence and self-worth.